Before I start, I want you to put this video on full screen. No distractions, no switching tabs. Because if you understand this, your focus and discipline will completely change. If your dopamine is overstimulated, and if you don't fix it, you'll always feel distracted, lazy, and behind. Dopamine isn't pleasure, it's drive. It's what makes you want to work, train, build, improve. But right now, most people have destroyed their dopamine system without even realizing it. Step 1. You're destroying your dopamine. It's not the 2-hour movie you watch. Yes, that can affect your dopamine baseline, but it's the 20 minutes of scrolling that turns into an hour. Because it's short, fast, constant stimulation. It requires no effort, and it's comfortable. And comfort is what you're really addicted to. You wake up, you scroll. Waiting for food, you scroll. After every single gym set, scroll. I see it all the time. Someone finishes a set and immediately goes on their phone. Then they say they can't focus. They say they feel distracted. You've trained your brain to expect a reward every 15 seconds. It's instant novelty on demand. When you do that every day, your dopamine baseline rises. Now, normal activities feel boring. Studying feels slow. Working feels painful. Building something long-term feels impossible. Not because you're lazy, because your brain is overstimulated, and you've trained it to avoid effort. Step 2. Detach dopamine from your life. To lower your dopamine baseline, you first have to do nothing. Literally nothing. Sit down for 10 to 15 minutes and do nothing. No phone, no music, no stimulation. Just sit there. At first, it will feel uncomfortable. Your brain will want something. It will look for stimulation. That's the point. You've been drowning your brain in noise. Now it has to adjust to silence. And that silence is what defogs your brain. If you do this daily, your mind will slow down. You'll feel clearer. Simple tasks will stop feeling unbearable. You'll start enjoying basic things again. That's your dopamine system stabilizing. You don't need extreme detoxes. You need control. So every day for 10 to 15 minutes, sit there and do nothing. Let your brain stabilize. Step 3, shift the association. Right now, you see scrolling as a reward. You feel bored, you scroll. You feel stressed, you scroll. Your brain thinks scrolling equals pleasure. You need to flip that. Start seeing scrolling for what it really is. Wasted time, lost progress, delayed goals. Let's look at it this way. If you eat junk food every day, you don't get fit. You don't get healthy skin. You don't get energy. Scrolling is junk food for your brain. Every binge lowers your dopamine baseline and makes real life feel dull. Instead, make progress addictive. Track your habits, track your streaks, measure your output. When you complete tasks, that becomes the reward. When you hit goals, that becomes the dopamine. Hard work should feel satisfying. Progress should feel addictive, not something you hate or avoid. You see all these successful and wealthy people online. They're not in that position because they hate what they do. They're there because they made progress addictive and focused on what they valued most. So start making progress your default. Start viewing scrolling as something negative, not rewarding. The time to change is now. And trust me, you'll thank yourself later.